Good morning. We're on another walk. This is a different fairy village, a different little dirt road, and somebody added this little dollhouse. They just kind of plunked it here, but you've got all kinds of little things that people add along their walk. We need some little people, but there's some little bunnies and a panda bear, some mushrooms. This poor dolly's arms broke off, but maybe that's why she was put here. That's like some kind of, it's like a little house, like a little cabbage house. So this is really cool. Come here, buddy. I'm gonna put this dollhouse over here on this rock so that we can put him right there. And this little troll, cute little tiny person, whatever we would like to call this cute little person, a witch, a troll, a cute lady. And I'm gonna find something to add to this on my walk tomorrow. Have a good morning, everyone. Look, and there's another house in there. There's more little things in there. Bye, everyone.